PcET courses are designed to help prepare teachers to teach in further adult and vocational education. And this can be from planning learning to looking at elements of assessment, but also preparing teachers to be teachers as researchers. And we also develop ideas about literacies for learning, literacies of social practice. We also focus a key proportion of our course in terms of placement in developing professional and extending professional practice.
I think the biggest thing this course has given me is a real appreciation for all of the methodologies and the pedagogy that go with teaching, and I've been able to implement all of this within the classroom.
So what I've enjoyed most about studying here is the balance of theory with the practical as well, so it's a really hands-on course. You get a lot of hands-on experience, firstly in a teaching environment, but then you go out and do your own practice, and that's been invaluable for me.
So they might have placements in a further education college, training provider, prisons, community education. We have a broad range of partners that we work with on the course. So as well as working across Wales in placements, we also work in Hereford, Gloucester, Weston and Bristol. So the PcET teacher training courses run at 3 different levels to recognise the range of qualifications and expertise that students have who come on the course.
All of the lecturers and teaching staff have been absolutely fantastic. And I think it's been really, really important that the lecturers know all of the students individually, which they do.
So we really welcome people who have a passion in their subject, their vocational and technical expertise. So for example, motor vehicle, hair and beauty, health and social care, catering, to really think about teaching as the next step of their career, and we can support them to do that on this course. The course is challenging but extremely rewarding, and it prepares teachers for a challenging yet rewarding career.